As 2021 comes to a close, I want to take a moment to say how grateful we are that our paths have crossed. Whether you are a service or retail client here in the Pacific Northwest, a design and consultation client from around the globe, or a follower on YouTube and social media, it means the world to us that we share this passion for safe and reliable voting. We love to hear about your voting adventures, answer your questions, and share what we have learned over the years. On behalf of our team, happy holidays and all the best for 2022.